Hello YouTubers, I'm back at it again today with another video. Today we're rebuilding Phoenix Suns. I was just dinking around, looking at trades. I happened to pull up this one, and this is the best trade you're going to find. As you can see, we're getting a better player and a better pick for Eric Bledsoe, and we're saving $2 million in cap. So, I believe that's what that means. But we're also getting a better player. Ooh, I wonder if I can do something like this. I'll do that. Take another pick and lose a couple second rounders, no big deal. Probably not going to be difference makers in the second round in this rebuild. So, now, gotta make up more moves. We have Kemba, Booker, Warren. Let's move Tyson Chandler next. I do need a center. Or a young center is what I want. Jeff Withey's an option. He's still 26 though. Let's be 24, but he's expensive. Not much for him. Brandon Knight's the next one on the move though. 12 million, 76 overall. Not worth my time. TJ McConnell and Nick Stauskas. I like that move. We'll come back to that one probably. First rounder and we're unloading cap. I think I might. That's a very good possibility there. First round picks. Ooh. Give up a pick. Well, we pick up a lot of cap room, but I don't think we're gonna find a center better than Gobert in the rebuild. So. Yeah, we're gonna do the Thunder. Or Jazz. No questions asked. Maybe we can do this straight up. Oh, not interested. Neto. Yeah, running out of picks, and that's not a good thing for where we're at. Gotta find that trade again. Jazz, here we go. So we are gonna make that move though. Straight up. That pick is not gonna help us in 3 years. Now, if I was doing like a 10-year rebuild, I would think about keeping it. Okay, so now we've got 3 guys above 80, plus TJ Warren. We do need a power forward though. And we have we got Marquise Chris. We're gonna build him up. We're gonna trade Dudley and PJ Tucker. Looking for young assets right now. Or picks. I do like those. I like that. 2 good players. Alright, Nick Stauskas, so welcome to the roster. Let's look at what we got right now. 3 point guards. A bunch of shooting guards. Gotta get rid of Barbosa, I think. Small forward. We need a good backup small forward, or it's a starting small forward. Chris is going to be my smart starting power forward. And I'm going to trade Len and Chandler. Okay. Len, Chandler. Let's see what we can get. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. I like Shabazz Muhammad as a backup. Maybe on that one. No. Too expensive. We'll send them. Shed a lot of cap. Teals don't even need those bigs, too. I don't get that trade for them. No. Jordan Hill. Who else is getting old? Barbosa. Ooh. Alright, I think we're gonna make. What was it? Yeah. Terry Rozier. Tyler Zeller. Ooh, I don't know. They don't really help me much. What can I get? Barbosa's not hurting us right now. What can I get for Jordan Hill? Just one expiring deal that I can. Second round pick. Wow. Salary dump. Alright. Where are we at? Well, we want to keep all those guards. Chris is my starting power forward. Gobert and Bender will play. Alright. So. Look at the coach game plan real quick. Of course, Kemba. You get like 40 minutes. We're not gonna go 11 deep though. Alright, now we got our roster set up. I will catch you at the end of year one to show you how we did. Here is the end of year one. Russell Westbrook is your MVP. Ben Simmons is the rookie of the year. Jared Sullinger, sixth man of the year. Rudy Gobert, hey, defensive player of the year. Jokic is your most improved, and Tyronn Lue is coach of the year. And I don't think we're going to see any of our guys on this. There's Gobert on all defensive first team though. And Marquise Chris. Alright. So now it's time to watch the playoff simulated. We did terrible and finished 14th. Hopefully in the bottom three though, so we can potentially get a top 3 pick. That was the goal this year. Get one ready now piece. So I'll catch you at the draft so you don't see all this wasting time. Here we are for rookie signings. Being in free agency, as you see, we got Josh Jackson with number 1. Great small forward to add to our roster, as it is a piece we needed. Team player options. We're going to accept everyone. I'm gonna keep Neto. Don't know why he wouldn't. Alright, so now it's time. Qualifying offers. Free agents. Expired. Barbosa, definitely want him back if we can get him. He's cheap. Stauski's just a little expensive to my mind. Offer him that. Alright. Free agency we go. Quick look at the roster. You can see pretty close to super team basically. We will be very deep at small forward if we were able to pull a guy like Kevin Durant. So we're obviously gonna try. We do need power forward. Not in the running. We're second there. Oh, Millsap will offer him a 1-year deal. Maybe you'll take that. We don't really need much. I'll offer him a year. He's not going to accept that. Alright. End of day one. Nobody has signed yet, though. See, we're trying to get Blake Griffin to come to Phoenix. I don't think we're going to be able to do it, though. We just don't have the draw. Durant is on the Clippers. Hayward's at the Jazz. That also might open up Blake Griffin to us, though. We're going to decline Paul Millsap and see. Alright, we'll sign Paul Millsap to that 1-year deal. We clearly need sign him up. Alright. Now we'll go to player progressions, and I will catch you guys at the end of season 2. Here at the end of year 2, LeBron is the MVP. Markelle Fultz, Rookie of the Year. Dennis Smith Jr., Sixth Man of the Year. LeBron, Defensive Player of the Year. Lance Stevenson, Most Improved. And Doc Rivers, Coach of the Year. Alright, here's your All-NBA teams. And as you can see, there's a former Sun, but no Suns so far. Josh Jackson should have won it Rookie of the Year, but must not have put up great numbers. Alright, so as you can see, we did make the playoffs. We're going to face the Warriors as the 5 seed. We're going to quick look at our stats. So nobody put up incredible numbers scoring wise. Rebounding, Rudy Gobert and Paul Millsap put up decent numbers. Nobody put up really extravagant numbers. So playoffs, I think we're going to cut down our roster. Player who plays. Neto is coming out. Stauskas. Marquise Chris will start to play. Alright, so this team's ready to play. We're gonna simulate a game. Oh man. We really gonna have trouble growing after this year. Son of a gun. Clippers got eliminated. And the Cavs win. So we're going to the last year of our rebuild, and we're going to have to make a title run. Let's look at the roster. We have room for one max contract. Hopefully we can get somebody. I'll catch you at free agency. I'll probably trade with my picks. Here are teams, our options. As you can see, we're going to pick up everyone's option. Oh man, I'm really hoping somebody wants to come play here. Let's look at the roster really quick. I kind of want to trade Gobert and Warren because Bender is about ready. What can I get for Gobert? Being a trade Rudy Gobert would give us a lot of flexibility in free agency. But I gotta find a salary dump trade, basically. Nobody wants to do a salary dump trade. Here we go. Let's see who's a free agent before we make that decision. We're gonna sign Neto to 4 more years because might as well. Alright, my minimum deal. Okay. Oh man. Let's look and see if we can push the Kings. Oh, I don't think we can push them over. Let's see if they'll offer me still. They didn't that time. Oh man, that would be nice. Nope, they won't clear enough. Don't think we're gonna be able to get DeMarcus Cousins. Definitely gonna try to sign Paul George. We do have a point guard already though, so we don't really need him. This is really tough to figure out what you need. Oh man. I don't know why we didn't win last year, honestly. We just really need a superstar. Gotta carry the roster. DeMarcus Cousins. Oh my gosh. This would be crazy. If we can get DeMarcus Cousins. Oh wow. Okay. Time to trade Rudy Gobert. Holy crap, I was not expecting that to go through. Whew. Alright. Kinda like that trade. Just looking for some bench depth right now. I think I'm gonna do this trade. Just gets rid of some salary cap. Opens a little more cap room. We do not need Jordan Clarkson or Nick Stauskas. So let's see if we can get something for these two. Just trying to get a couple more big names. No, we can't, but here we go. So, as of right now, Larry Nance will be our power forward. Which is not a bad power forward, but Paul Millsap is still out there. And I can offer him that contract. And he likes it. Ooh. Alright. Well, I will catch up with you if we sign him. Otherwise, I'll see you all at the end of year 3. Alright, quick update. Looks like we're going to trade Jordan Clarkson for Will Barton. Because it clears a cap room. And you'll see why. We need more cap room. Oh, we still don't have enough. Okay. Man, we just don't. I wonder if we can get him. Under the cap. Alright, I'll catch back up with you if I end up making a deal with him. We did it. Made enough moves to open up cap space to sign Paul Millsap back. So, at the end of the free agency period, this is the starting 5 right here. All above 80 and above. Dragan Bender, Nance, Ulis, Patty Mills, and Marquise Chris can come off the bench. Otherwise, it's just empty space. I think this year is our year to win a title. I'll catch you at the end of the season. Here at the end of year 3, Durant's your MVP. Ruben Morris is your Rookie of the Year. Jared Sullinger, 6th man. Hassan Whiteside, Defensive Player of the Year. Marcus Smart, Most Improved. Dwayne Casey is Coach of the Year. Alright. So let's see if we got anybody. Nothing. Nothing. Wow. Alright. So we're the 3 seed, 45 or 50 and 32. I feel pretty confident we ended the year pretty hot. Oh, let's get that sweep. Moving on, let's go. Only sweep. One of the only 2 sweeps. Alright. Lakers up next. Come on, boys. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's look at the roster. Or coach game plan. 30, 36. Alright. So we can pull it out. Come on, get another one. And we fail again. Oh my gosh. Well, 3 rebuilds up. 3 title-less rebuilds. So, we'll be back at it again tomorrow. So we can get 1 title.